What?
It's Daddy getting his new truck. As he crashed his old one. That's how old people drive.
Yep. Good fights.
Not too bad.
Let's go.
Hold on, looking at it, making sure it looks nice. It's got zip ties on the bumper on the front.
It's the Frankenstein look.
Yeah. Ah, too bad he couldn't get a cool car.
Little girl car.
You can get your girl one if you want. There's a Charger in your garage.
Yeah.
You can drive that one.
Yeah, she is my honey. You're right. I can pop the hood and
Canada.
follow it anytime I want.
Canada. Yeah, I'll get some pizzas.
Well, I figured a plain pizza in case you didn't like the other two would be better. So. Right back.
Jeff, line 2.
They gave us free pizza because my dad's buying a truck. Pretty nice of them. That's how they do it in Cape Cod. Now I'm gonna eat. I mean, I don't eat pizza. How's that pizza? How's your pizza, Dad?
It's a good one.
What are you turning Canadian?
Hey?
I already ate my pizza. See? Those two are gone. That one's almost gone.
Yeah.
Watching Tiger Woods.
Why, who is that?